D2 Delta PX, getting started. D2 Delta PX is a GPS watch designed for aviation. It provides you various features with airport information, SPO2, music, Garmin Pay, and more. First, turn on the device. Hold light button to turn on the device. When the device is activated, it will show the current version of the flight map. You may visit flightgarmin.com to update the map. Press Start button to accept. Press Up Down button to view widgets. You may check altimeters, music, SPO2, and more features. Hold light button to view controls menu. You may find Garmin Pay feature in here. Please use Garmin Connect Mobile to set up Garmin Pay. Start flight. Press Start button. Flight. Press down button to scroll down to view flight activities. Press Start button to start the flight timer. Press Start button again to save and end an activity. Waypoint information. Enter waypoint identification code. Hold Start button. Enter all or part of the alphanumeric identifier. Select a waypoint. Select Direct to navigate directly to the selected location. Scroll down to view flight activity pages. To find the list of nearby airports, hold back button. Wait for GPS. A list of airports near your current location will show on the device. Discover waypoints. Press Start button. Fly. Hold Up button. Select Navigation. Select Flight Planning. Find waypoint. Select options of finding a waypoint. Thanks for watching.